Underwater?
Where's the forge?
Seems ominous.
Here she comes.
What is that? Dude, she looks crazy. What? Oh, that's lit. Give it to me.
She needs the final ingredient.
Which is?
Blood of a god. Give me your hand.
How's she gonna extract the blood? Does she have like a dagger or claws? This is really dope. Oh, the symbol. Let's go. Let's back into a ring. Did he just summon it with a ring? Is that how it works? I thought Brock was gonna find out like about his backstory with Sindri. Sindri doesn't want to tell him. Oh, okay, that's late.
Delphi Frater almost forgot. Ma'am, it would be an honor if you might bless it for us. Are you, hello? Hello? The fuck was that? She acts like I weren't even here.
Oh,
Mermaids don't speak to our corporeal bodies. They speak to a part of our soul. A part specifically you might be missing.
oh no.
Fuck! Damn it, Sindri, you lion cat scrubber! I knew it. I died. I fucking died! The fuck you want?
It needs a blessing.
Yeah, well, the one to give us the blessing just fucked off into the tomb.
It needs the blessing of a great blacksmith.
What? No, I can't bless shit.
Come on, Brock, you got this.
All my soul bits. The blessing wouldn't mean squat.
It is the nature of a thing that matters,
That's right.
not its form.
Look at Kratos.
All right. May this weapon strike true. May it be wielded with wisdom. May it be put down when its job is done.
Okay, that was sick.
You know I can't let you take our new gal home without giving her a twirl. Look, I got volunteers.
All right, let's go. Finish her with the spear. Let's go.
It is the first weapon a Spartan learns.
Well, hell, ain't this just like old times?
That's correct.
Put it more forebodingly myself.
Come on, stop. Oh, okay, that's sick.
Right side. Throw it all you like.
Unlimited spears, that's sick. Oh, okay. That's actually cool. You can detonate it.
And it's good enough for you.
It will serve.
Behind you. Look out.
Last one.
Okay, I'm in on the Dropner spear. Oof.
The Dropnir spear's looking pretty battle-worthy to me.
I agree.
Let's see if she can help us get out of here.